Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. All our parts are in for our dream build downhill bike. So let's put it all together and see what she looks like. All right, we had a big delivery this week with most of our parts here. So let's put it together. If you remember, this is how we got it. We stripped it down and added the new graphic. So let's see what she's going to turn out to be. All right, so here it is. The Spank Spike 800 race bar. And we're going to put it on our stem. Again, this is number 7 of 100 limited edition World Cup stem. The Spank 40. So yeah, let's get it put on. All right, so there you have it. Our new Spank bar looks good with our new stem. All right, so these are some of the parts that came in, and let's open it up and see what we got. All right, so these are our wheels. We got the Spank 33 Spike race wheels, and we're gonna put maxxis DHF, Minion DHF in the front, and DHR2 in the back. And we're gonna start the tubeless setup. So let's check it out. All right, everything is here. Our wheels are done, so let's start putting it all together. All right, she's all done. But before we check her out, hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 100. Let's keep it going. We're almost there. Make sure you hit that like button, share with your friends. Now let's check her out. All right, there you have her. She's all done, completed everything. So if you like it, make sure to hit that thumbs up and share with your friends. And we're gonna have more bike builds, upgrades, but for this Airborne pathogen downhill bike, it is done. We'll have another proper bike check video, but I hope you like it. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and we'll catch you next time.